Have you been in a situation of learning? That's also happened to me. Hi, I'm Aldino and I'm Japanese language learner. Currently, I'm studying Japanese because I want to work in Japan. I need to able to master Japanese comprehensively. My work requires me to read a lot things, be it instruction from my manager and chat from my college, or getting information from local resources such as newspaper, website logs, and social media. But I find Japanese language, especially from kanji, is really challenging to learn.
There are about 1 million other people like Aldino who wants to master Japanese for various purposes. Indonesia is the second largest population of Japanese learner in the world, right after China. According to our research, Japanese is one of the most difficult language to learn in the world. It takes 88 weeks or 2,200 class hours to master Japanese. What makes Japanese so difficult? Well, apart from the complicated grammar and diction, the writing system is frustratingly difficult to learn and memorize. You need to be good at 3 types of writing: katakana, hiragana, and kanji. While katakana and hiragana consist of only about 169 characters, kanji on the other hand could reach more than 2,500 characters. If you effectively memorize 5 kanji a day, it would take you approximately 2 years to memorize all important kanji just to be able to read a newspaper. Can you imagine that? One kanji character might have a couple of ways to pronounce it, and could be combined with more than one kanji or hiragana. As a learner, you need to know when and how to use kanji properly. Japanese language experts recommend to learn kanji by finding their individual meanings and figure out how to use them in grammar. Meanwhile, education experts suggest that learning has to be personalized in order to create better improvements to the learners. And that is when we come up with a unique solution to learn kanji. Introducing KataKanji, an iOS app that helps Japanese language learners understand kanji and its context through reading articles that interest them. There are 3 main features KataKanji uses to make your kanji learning more effective. First, we provide reading materials that matches the topics you are interested in. This way, you would feel learning kanji a lot more interesting because you would be reading your favorite topics. Second, remember the video we watched earlier? Isn't it difficult to try to find a kanji in the massive depths of dictionary? Well, worry not. With KataKanji, you don't have to do it manually. KataKanji helps users immediately search the meaning of kanji by simply tapping the kanji in the article. And you don't have to worry to jot it down. You can save the kanji information so you can check them out again anytime. Last but definitely not least, wouldn't it be nice to review your understanding of that kanji reading? We'll give you some quiz. This feature would ensure that you would maximize your kanji learning experience with the help of this app. Besides the main feature, you can also pick your favorite article, translate the whole reading, and have the speech engine read the article for you. And if you're in a hurry, you can choose to take the quiz later and do it when you feel like it. On top every awesome thing about KataKanji, we created this app in Indonesian so that you can learn Japanese directly from your native language. Say no more to confusing English translation. And here are the awesome people who created KataKanji. We have the coder team, Aldino Efendi, Yonathan, and Muhammad Noor Ansyari. The design team with Vivien, Christy, Apriyanti, and Maulana Firdaus, and myself, Sayyidah Fitry Hana, as the product manager. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning kanji in your personalized way. We're going to distribute the test flight invitation from katakanji.com by scanning the QR code. We would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for listening. Arigatou gozaimasu.